How to turn on or enable grid line on Blackmagic camera. So if you're using the Blackmagic camera on your iPhone and now you want to enable or turn on the grid lines on the Blackmagic camera app, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do to enable or turn on grid lines on Blackmagic camera is go ahead and open the Blackmagic app. On the Blackmagic homepage just like this, make sure you select camera. Now once you selected camera, come here and click on this aspect ratio button. Then you should see the grid lines here. So go ahead, click on the grid lines. Then if you click on this option, this is going to add grid lines to the Blackmagic camera. And you can easily tap the on and off button to enable grid lines. Then you can now come here, select the grid lines you want to use, like this, or like this. So once that is turned on, then you should see the grid lines on the Blackmagic camera. If you want to turn it off again, just tap on and then disable it. So that is basically how to turn on or enable grid lines on Blackmagic camera on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.